Hey, fellow economic lovers, hello and welcome back to Live Economic News. Today, we begin an exciting trip across time to investigate the ever-changing environment of the world's leading economies. We'll travel 4 decades and beyond, watching the rise and fall of states, the conflict of technologies, and the growth of global trade, from the powerhouses of the past to the pioneers of the future. So prepare up, because we're about to go deep into the exciting story of the world's top economies, 1980 to 2075. Section 1. The 1980s. The unrivaled hegemony. The 1980s were an era of dramatic developments, with the United States standing as an economic giant. Reaganomics, Ronald Reagan's aggressive economic policies, looked to encourage growth through tax cuts and deregulation. These measures, together with the developing technological revolution, pushed the country into a new era of prosperity. Iconic milestones, such as the introduction of the IBM personal computer, signaled the beginning of the digital age, a glimpse of what was to come. The stock market in the 1980s reflected this economic optimism. The legendary bull market roared on, propelling the Dow Jones Industrial Average to dizzying heights. Investors and traders reveled in the legendary bull market, while companies used the energy to raise funds and invest in game-changing enterprises. It was a period of limitless confidence as the United States established itself as an unrivaled economic superpower. Section 2. The 1990s, a shifting global canvas. Emerging markets, notably China, India, and Brazil, have begun to emerge from the shadows. China's rise, with its combination of state capitalism and market-driven ideas, was especially noteworthy, ushering in a new age of global dynamics. As the United States maintained its power, a new group of economies began to create a more vibrant global symphony. The rise of China as an economic powerhouse was a unique feature of this period. Deng Xiaoping's open-door policy and economic reforms pushed China into an unmatched period of prosperity and modernization. India, too, has begun a path of economic revolution. The country's software revolution sparked a technology-fueled boom, establishing it as a global center for IT services and software development. Meanwhile, Brazil's abundant natural resources and strategic emphasis on agriculture have strengthened its status as a key participant in the global economic arena. Section 3. The 2000s. Eastward Ascension and global integration. China, the factory of the world, emerged as a worldwide economic powerhouse in the early 2000s, bringing in a massive economic shift. Rapid urbanization, large infrastructure developments, and an export-oriented industrial sector catapulted the country to the forefront of the world arena. The 2008 Beijing Olympics were a spectacular showcase of China's rise, exhibiting not just its economic successes, but also its rich cultural history to the rest of the globe. China's development was accompanied by a digital revolution that swept the world. Technological giants such as Alibaba, Tencent, and Huawei emerged as trailblazers, increasing China's economic might. Section 4. The 2010s Innovation Nation, a global symphony. The decade of the 2010s saw countries embrace the power of technology to boost their economies to new levels. South Korea, called the Silicon Valley of the East, has developed into a worldwide technological powerhouse, with corporations such as Samsung and LG leading the way. The country's concentration on research and development, along with a youthful and proficient technological populace, opened the way for groundbreaking advances in electronics, telecommunications, and beyond. Germany, known for its precision engineering and workmanship, embraced a green revolution that aimed to balance economic progress with environmental sustainability. Germany's engineering strength expanded to the automobile sector, where electric and hybrid cars took center stage. Japan, which has long been lauded for its technical advances, has started a robotics revolution that has altered sectors and economies. Japan's technical superiority expanded expanded to other fields, such as healthcare, where cutting-edge medical gadgets and treatments were produced. Section 5. The 2020 SS. Navigating uncharted waters. As the globe faced serious problems on several fronts, the 2020 S marked a moment of profound reflection and adaptation. The evidence of climate change and its far-reaching implications prompted governments to address the challenge of sustainable development. With this uncertain information, visionary nations adopted novel measures that balanced economic expansion with environmental conservation. Scandinavian nations, in particular, have emerged as leaders in the development of long-term economic strategies. Sweden demonstrated a template for green growth by committing to renewable energy and carbon neutrality. Wind, solar, and hydroelectric power investments in the United States opened the way for a more sustainable energy transition. Norway proved that economic success could be attained without risking the planet's future by focusing on smart resource management and low-carbon businesses. Section 6. The 2030s. Pioneering the technological renaissance. The arrival of the 2030s marked the start of a technological revolution that would change economies, industries, and civilizations. Japan, long admired for its technical strength, has been at the forefront of advances in artificial intelligence and robotics. Japan's devotion to technical growth brought it to the forefront of the Fourth Industrial Revolution, from humanoid robots that aided in aged care to AI-driven inventions that revolutionized manufacturing processes. Germany, known for its precise engineering, has used biotechnology to push the boundaries of agriculture and other fields. Breakthroughs in editing genes, personalized medicine, and sustainable agriculture have transformed industries and improved the lives of millions of people. Section 7. The 2040s. Beyond Earth's Horizons. A Cosmic Odyssey. The 2040s saw significant chaos in the economic landscape as mankind expanded its reach beyond Earth's borders. The United Arab Emirates, UAE, a pioneer in space exploration, placed its eyes on asteroid mining, which promised to liberate rare metals and minerals from celestial bodies. The UAE's commitment to space resources not only marked a new frontier for economic growth, but also cleared the door for breakthrough technology and cross-continental relationships. Section 8. The 2050s. A harmonious tapestry of economic titans. The global economic environment in the 2050s was characterized by a vast range of economic powerhouses. The United States, a persistent participant, maintained its position as a major economic force by using technical innovation and entrepreneurial energy. Silicon Valley's legacy continued to impact sectors and encourage discoveries, while the nation's dedication to R&D provided new horizons for economic growth. Section 9. The 2060s and beyond. The unwritten frontier. The 2060s and beyond provide a blank canvas with limitless possibilities, a region in which economic landscapes change and borders are redrawn. Renewable energy in particular is emerging as a critical driver of economic growth. Solar panels shine above futuristic towns, capturing the energy of the sun to power factories, houses, and travel network. As we look ahead to the 2060s and beyond, the unwritten frontier beckons, a place where economic assumptions are rebuilt and nations' combined wisdom, inventiveness, and resilience form the legacy of prosperity. Our voyage has exposed the ever-changing interplay of invention, creativity, and impact, from the bright top of the 1980s to the mysterious sights of the 2070s. Let us be inspired by the history of pioneers who dared to dream, inventors who pushed limits, and leaders who navigated new seas as we reflect on the extraordinary journey of the world's economy from 1980 to 2075.